Baby swimming is natural. It's a natural environment for a baby to be in. Having the confidence to bring them is really important. You don't need to be a confident swimmer as a parent. It's not your swimming lesson, it's your baby's swimming lesson. But what our teachers do and what they're trained to do is to give you the tools to actually get into the pool and help teach your baby. We're empowering not just the children to make choices to swim well, we're actually empowering parents to make choices to help teach them and to help them on that journey. And that's a fantastic experience as well, knowing that you as a parent have empowered your child as much as the teacher has. The water supports a baby. It helps them develop. There's so many benefits to baby swimming, physiological and psychological, and it can help bond as well. That's the main thing, is getting you in the water with your baby and promoting that bonding. There has been a lot of research to show that babies do copy their carers in the water, you know, and a simple face dip by the parent can lead to an elective submersion from a baby. We can get better results by giving the babies the tools they need to go underwater themselves. At Puddle Ducks, we have about a 2-year cycle of research and development, and that involves super teachers getting to the pool, observing children. We do external research as well. We work with leading organisations like the STA, the Swimming Teachers Association, and also Birthlight.
We chose Puddle Ducks because of the versatility it offered us as a family, the opportunity to be flexible. We also, as a family, were very committed to the children. Developmental experiences, it's about giving them water confidence. And the children go to the lesson, the children become the focus, and they get the opportunity to have their input as well. The child develops the confidence from you, and you've got to be confident within yourself, and you gain that confidence from the teachers.
We have lots of different swimmers, different ages, different abilities. Although we are teaching in a group environment, we tailor our activities personally to every single child to ensure that we're progressing them at a level that is right for them, and more importantly at a pace that is right for them as well.
We're empowering not just the children to make choices to swim well, we're actually empowering parents to make choices to help teach them. And that's what our research and development is about. It's about helping you be the best parent in the water as well as being the best parent on land.